We sold all our stuff and we got rid of everything and I don't have to work no more. Just go now. You can do it too. No, you can't. Most people can't. Not without working. Why do you think we have to do travel nurse contracts where I'm somewhere for 3-6 months at a time? Oh boy, this turned into a big, way bigger rant. See, this is why I don't want to hear that anymore. Gets me all fired up and yeah. So really, I think the reason we haven't put out a video in a few weeks is just some creator burnout, RV living depression, creator depression. I don't really know how else to describe it to you, but just kind of feeling like there's no point in putting anything out because there's just no point in it because the niche is saturated and everybody's putting out the same videos and the same kind of content and doesn't really matter. We do it because we love it and we do it because of the people that we've met on this amazing journey, and that's why we're going to keep doing it. Well, this is cool. We're going to talk about it today, about what may cause that burnout, how to get through it, and some of the problems with YouTube in the RV niche that may lend itself to causing this burnout as well. But I've got to go get propane because it's starting to get cool here in East Tennessee, and we'll talk about where we're at a little bit and what we've been doing. We may even go hiking today, but got the tank in the truck and we need to go find a Tractor Supply because that's my go-to place to get propane. Make sure you stick around. We love you all. God bless America. And God bless all the troops that may be getting deployed here soon. God, who knows what's going to happen in this crazy world. But God bless you all.
It's very sunny.
It is extremely sunny. Potter's Falls in East Tennessee. Oh, that's pretty cool. What's on this side? So, it said on the website people come up there and swim in that pool, I think. And here. Well, the videos I saw, it was just like a roaring waterfall over there. And if you look right over there, there's a rope hanging out from that tree. People jump from the and swing. With the water being down right now, you can kind of get the places you probably would not be able to get to if it was up. And over here. Wow. Yeah, so this is definitely good for the soul to get out, see stuff like this. This is just a few miles down the road. So content creation itself is part of the problem. Every once in a while, it kind of builds up to the point where it just overflows and you just don't feel like you can do it. But I think that's something that all channels probably go through and all creators go through. And I think you have to step away from it every once in a while and just take a breather for a moment. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. I think that it's more stressful as a part-time content creator because, listen, I'm working my full-time job as a travel nurse. I still work my contract. Mel's still doing her thing. And then we have to find the time to try to put content together. It is stressful. You'll get yourself into a routine and find yourself digging a hole faster than you know how to fill it up. Along with that, especially as a small channel, you put your heart and soul into some videos or what you think, is a great video that's going to do well, and it doesn't, week after week, and you don't get the interaction with subscribers or views or comments that you were hoping for or thinking you were going to get. It's human nature. That's a huge letdown. If you everybody wants recognition or, some accolades for their hard work. Now, for some people, there are very few channels out there that sprint to the finish line. There are some that within a year and a half or within a year have exploded and are on top of the game. And that doesn't happen but just a very few people. Some people are made to be on the screen and they attract audiences, and that's just the simple part of it. Some people, like us, we really have to work for it. But we appreciate every inch that we gather. So
ticks, chiggers, and poison ivy are present in the park.
No way. Lilly Bluff. Let's go. see the boardwalk trail.
Those are probably your most chance encounters.
You know what? I don't believe any of...
Chiggers, ticks?
Nope. Well, I might believe those.
Yeah, those are...
I surely don't believe bears. There are no bears. Well, might be one or two, but they're only paid to come out a few days a year, so.
Unless you're staying in downtown Gatlinburg.
Right, then they just, pretty much. These are enormous. Look how big those leaves are. I don't know if you can tell. What is that? It's prehistoric. Rasputin curly maple. Weathered Tennessee oak wasp. No signal.
Exactly.
It's a no signal curly birch. Yeah.
We'll have to wait.
Okay. To be continued. I think it's the, yeah, curly birch walnut tree. Yep. Always take the left turn at Albuquerque. Whooped. Well, yeah. But this was a beautiful little stroll. Beautiful stroll through the woods, the prehistoric forest. All right, let me get over here so nobody, you want to hear my pet peeve about RV YouTube channels? So I'm gonna get over here so nobody can hear me, because I know that I'm gonna get a ton of flack for this. But if I have to hear, I'm Tina and my husband's Bob. In 2022, we quit our jobs and sold our house and all our belongings, and we're gonna travel the USA forever and chase of happiness and the American dream. The reason that bothers me so much pretty much is because it's dishonest. Put the whole truth out there. The one thing that we are is we are honest about our situation. I have to work for a living. Everybody somewhere along the line has money backing them somewhere. You don't just get rid of all your crap and quit your job and prance across the country. You just don't, it doesn't work that way. Kudos to you if you inherited $500,000, or you have a successful business that you can run from the road, or you won the lottery, or your parents are rich and they're funneling money to you, or you have a remote job of some sort. But put that out. Don't just, it's dishonest. People can't do that. The average RVer who goes and has dreams and aspirations of traveling this country full time can't just sell their house and quit their job. Some people try it and it fails miserably, because you have to have income. You either got to be retired and have income, or you have to have some way to make income on the road. It doesn't just magically happen, and people don't put that out there. Oh, here we are. Definitely left at Albuquerque.
Oh, this is a dark sky
Oh yeah?
location.
Well, that would be cool.
Yeah, we should come back up here.
Nestled deep in the woods of Tennessee, you'll find the Lilly Bluff Overlook. The boardwalk here at Lilly Bluff invites visitors to immerse themselves in the raw beauty of the volunteer state. It's a sanctuary for both contemplation and connection. The Overlook is a breathtaking escape atop the Cumberland Plateau, offering stunning views of the gorges and forest below. Hello down there. That's kind of cool. Let's put this up here. Now that we have signal, we know what the tree was. It's exactly what I said. It's the large leaf magnolia.
The big leaf magnolia.
Big leaf magnolia, just like I said earlier.
Are also known as a large leafed cucumber tree.
Right, I remember saying that.
Or umbrella tree.
Yep.
Depending on where you're from.
Exactly. I knew it.
They were nice soft leaves. They make extra good
Toilet paper.
Toilet paper.
It's like I said, man, it's like a steel trap up here. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to focus on making better content, and that may mean that we don't put out a video necessarily every week as we have in the past. And that's gonna be okay, because what we wanna focus on is better content that more people wanna watch, and hopefully that will attract more people that we can interact with, and we can build a bigger community. So what this means for us is we are gonna have to do a better job of something that we have admittedly done a horrible job of, and that is actually working on a schedule with YouTube and setting boundaries between the time that we film and our personal time, and try to really adhere to that. And we have done a horrible job at that, and I think that has led us to part of the situation where we kind of felt burnt out for a little while, and we felt like we needed to take a month or so off after our Alaska trip. And hopefully we can draw more attention to our videos, and again, increase our audience, increase our community, because we really love the Home on the Hitch community that we have built so far, because it has blessed us immensely. So you're really gonna need to stick around, because we've got a lot coming up in the future, and hopefully it's gonna be outstanding. We are currently working on plans, not sure 100% of the details, but they'll be coming soon for the next Hoot Nanny, the Hoot 2, and that's gonna be an absolute blast. We got some really cool stuff in the old think box for that. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and stick around for next week's video or the week after that. Don't know when it's gonna be, but we're gonna try to make it a little better. So we love you guys. God bless you guys from everybody here, me and Mel, that is, at Home on the Hitch. Love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Yeah.